안녕하세요. 이곳은 대한민국 서울입니다. 사실 저는 한국에서는 영상을 만들 생각이 없었는데 저번에 인도네시아에서 만났던 메디가 지금 한국에 왔어요. 와, 어이씨. You are here now.
How are you?
Oh, okay.
Good.
Nice to meet you again.
Yeah, now I'm
Yeah,
in Korea.
yeah. It's unbelievable.
Oh, no,
you are
that's
here in
it.
Korea.
I'm in Korea.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can- Me too. I'm not believing, man.
Yeah.
I came and you are here, huh? And sorry?
Sorry is 죄송합니다.
Huh?
죄송합니다. 죄송?
Chuesong?
죄송합니다.
Chesong? Momida.
죄송합니다.
Chesong? Hamida.
Yeah.
Chesong?
Korean is not easy, right?
Hamida, yeah.
Speaking
Because
is not
I
easy.
always say thank you and sorry. So at least I need this too. I want to make some video, but I want to make like good video.
So which city?
I'm Seoul, right?
Seoul only?
Yeah, only.
Huh?
Yeah.
In 25 days?
Yeah, enough.
No,
I'm
it's not
tired,
enough.
man.
어떤 음식을 먹이는 게 좋을까 생각하다가 냉면집에 왔어요. The water is free in Korea.
Free, huh?
Yeah, water
Free
is
water,
free.
huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
everywhere. So you don't need to buy the water.
Wow.
But it's better, you think?
No, for me with the beer is better.
With beer is better?
Yeah, it was nice for you. It was
Yeah, only
very
man.
black
Yeah.
with the hair. Man, even the girls they like the beer.
No, Korean girl no, don't like.
Who told you?
You can see my, yeah, everyone, my friend. Why don't you shave my beard? Everyone, they don't like. Yeah, in Korea, yeah, this is Korean culture. And also my comments, they
they
told
told
me,
you?
yeah, shave my beard.
Oh man, this
Yeah.
is weird. Girl,
Mm-hmm.
if she has long hair,
Oh,
very long hair,
uh-huh.
and for the man if he has beard.
So in Muslim, they
This is not-
like beard.
Yeah, but this
They
is
like.
not about Islam. It's not Islam thing. I mean, it's culture thing.
Uh-huh.
Like we love
Ah,
the beard.
so they
We-
don't care. They don't care.
They love it.
They
They
love-
take care of it. See, for me, like I shave it, I take
Ah.
care. It's like clean.
Oh,
But
really?
when you see like the lion,
Uh-huh.
you see the lion. The lion, he has the beard because
yeah,
he's
yeah,
a
yeah.
lion. He's a man. Like I mean, but
So,
yeah.
if you shave, your girlfriend don't like it.
Even my mother, she will not
Really?
kiss me. I swear. I shave, yeah, and my mother told me, don't kiss me. Go.
Why? Why?
She don't like,
Why?
like your face. What's the difference between the man and the
Wow.
girl here? Yeah, the man need to be a little bit manly. I mean, he has a hair.
It's big different.
Mm.
My mom hate it.
Mm.
She hate my beard. Yeah. So she.
Yeah, this
she,
is
Yeah.
so
She's satisfied now.
if like Arab girl,
Uh-huh.
she asks God for something, she would say, please God, when I get married, I want like a man with a beard.
Wow.
This is like very important thing.
Really?
Yeah, she want to play like this, she want to touch.
Okay. See? This is ice.
Ah, with ice.
Yeah. I told you cold noodle. And this one also cold. Not hot.
Wow.
This is Korean food.
Oh. The smell is good, by the way.
Yeah.
Shuf noodles?
Noodle is
Agree.
tough.
Yeah, this is the first time I see gray noodles.
Never see this?
I never see this.
Wow.
We don't eat this with
You need to practice
With the
because
chopstick.
there is no pork here. You can ask them, but just try it.
I think I'm okay. And also you put this one here.
Yeah.
Ice cream, man, this one.
Yeah. Ice cream.
This one is better.
This is better,
Yeah.
but this is original. This is more original.
This
Yeah.
one, because I will make like this, like
Spaghetti, pasta.
okay.
It's cold.
Cold?
Like this.
My first impression, I see the street like gray, most of the building gray,
Yeah.
and then you have a lot of yellow touch,
Yeah.
and also man, the car yellow, I mean gray or black or white, like three color,
Yeah.
almost one color gray. If you see, look there is three car gray, this one gray, this one black, white, gray, white, gray.
Yeah.
You never see like red or yellow or
Yeah, that much.
People, yeah.
Not much.
Korean. They like even the clothes, beige, white, gray, black.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't like.
Really?
Yeah, I don't
it's
like.
Nice.
It's not nice. It feels like, how to say, top.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I understand what you mean.
Yeah, I want.
Mm.
Yeah, I want they keep their personality.
Personality.
Yeah, but
I'm sure.
here's no. Yeah, or everyone is similar. Yeah, it's not. It's boring. It's boring.
People that are waiting, they can go, they can pass. There is nobody. We
Yeah.
are, I mean, like we are not car, we are human. We can, but this is good thing.
I think it's Matthew.
Nice.
Yeah, it's just $10, but I don't know why you look like a guest Arab country from.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Because I came
Guess
to
rich.
Korea, they make discount for me. Now I'm very happy. The place is nice. The food, the environment. Wow, my friend with me and cold beer. Wow, amazing.
Okay, welcome to Korea.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Unique food, unique place, everything is different. This is good. For example, you are in Asia, right? But you are not like Thailand. You are not like Thailand
Thailand, yeah,
or
yeah.
Indonesia.
Yeah,
For example, if you say Arab, almost the same.
similar.
The language almost the same.
And atmosphere also similar. Atmosphere.
Huh?
The atmosphere also same.
Which one?
Atmosphere.
Atmosphere, no.
No, different.